This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Ryan Palmer. Brand new Craftsman styled home in booming Enderly Park. Don't miss this opportunity to live walkable to all the hot spots Enderly Park has to offer, like Enderly Coffee, Summit Seltzer, Lucky Dog. Features include open concept floor plan west/large great room west/gas fireplace, huge custom kitchen west/quartz counters, farm sink, stainless steel appliances including microwave drawer, gas range and hood, refrigerator, washer, and dryer, soft close cabinet doors and drawers, and huge eat-in center island. Hardwoods throughout main and common areas, archways. Large master suite west/spa bath, double vanities, vessel tub, frameless shower west/rainmaker and walk-in closet.